In this video, we're going to look at a cool feature that Whiteboard.chat has where you can set your board to autocorrect and grade so that the students know what they have missed and how they are doing. So let's look at this. I'm going to show you right over here. I have a student board. I've already set this up, so I'm going to first show you how it works for the student side, and then we'll look at how you can create this on your own. So this student is over here. I'm going to put in my answers. Let's go ahead and miss this one. And this one. Oops. And we'll get that one right. Okay. Oops. Alright, so now once your students have completed all their work, you can go up to the top here for the Actions button, and you're going to come down and you're going to say Auto Correct All Boards. So when I do this, you see how it gave them little stars, and it actually shows the students by green and red what they got right and what they got wrong, and it gives them a score at the top of their board. Okay? So let's look at how I went about setting this up with Whiteboard.chat. So I'm going to go to the next page on my board here, and I'm going to use a PDF. Now you don't have to use a PDF. You can actually use text boxes and add your own questions and things in. But for time's sake, I'm just going to show you how to do this with a PDF. So I'm going to go over here to upload file from the computer, and I have this one right here that I'm going to load. And once it's in there, I'm ready to add my text boxes where the students are going to add their answers. Now, one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to double click and just start drawing a text box that way. And you don't want to use the text box that's right here. To use this feature, you need to go to the wrench, and you're going to go to this text box. And I'm going to draw my box. And once I have it where I want it, I'm going to click. I'm going to draw this box. Click. So I'm just going to drag and add my little text boxes where I want the kids to add their answers. And I could just keep going and drawing these little boxes. Alright, so we're going to stop there for time's sake here. Alright, now I'm ready to set it up so it will auto grade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go turn this to the select tool, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to add answers and points. So I'm going to give this 20 points, and I'm going to put my answer here and say save. And now I'm going to right click and do add answers. I'm going to put my points here, and I'm going to add my answer in and save. Okay, we'll stop there. And now I'm going to look over here on the student board. So the student would come in here, they add their answer. I'm going to put 5, and then here they're going to put, let's go ahead and we'll miss this one. Okay, so once they have all this in, the teacher just goes up to the Actions button and says Auto Correct, and it will show them what they got right, what they got wrong, and then at the top of their board, it will give them a score. So just a great way for you to add in your PDF, or you can, like I said, you can add your own boxes in, but you can set it up so that it will grade the work, and then when the student comes back into the board the next time, they can see their score. You can go to actions if you need for them to redo something. You can delete that autocorrect and let them go in and change their answers that they got wrong and do a self-correct if you would like to do that as well. So great feature for Whiteboard.chat.